Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Amazon Prime and get a full refund. First, open your Amazon account. To get started, go to the Manage Prime Membership or Memberships and Subscriptions section. Either option will work. Here, you can view all your active memberships and find the option to cancel them. You'll also see details on how to apply for a refund. At the top, click on the Manage Membership button. You'll see your plan details such as 3 months, 599 rupees, along with the date it was charged, for example the 17th. Once you cancel your membership, Amazon will send you an SMS confirmation. If you cancel right after the payment is charged, your refund will be processed within 2 to 3 working days. However, if you cancel after a few days, you may not be eligible for a refund. Next, click on Continue to Cancel, and when the options appear, select End Now. A message will pop up saying something like, "Your benefits will end immediately and you will be refunded rupees." This means your refund is being processed right away. Finally, make sure to read all the terms and conditions carefully. Once the cancellation is complete, you'll see a message that says, "Your membership has been cancelled and your refund will be processed within a few days." This confirms that your automatic renewal has stopped and your refund will be credited soon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.